So let's say you have a student who wants to share their final project or their final work to a shared classroom studio. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a title. So there we go. So there's my title entered in. So when students want to submit their work to a studio, the first thing they have to do is they must click share. If they do not click share, they will not be able to share their work to a studio. Once you've clicked share, it'll take you to your project page. Project page allows you to add instructions. So for example, I could add instructions like, this is where you're going to provide instructions for the user on how to use your project. You can provide references or credits to people that you got ideas from. Finally, you're going to have to share it now to your class studio. So as a student inside a class, I would click on my username up here and go to my class. Once I've gone to my class, I'll see information about my class that my teachers created. If I scroll down, I'll see the class studios right here that there's 12 of. The studio that my teacher just created that they want me to share my project to is right here, Sample Studio for Submission. I click on this button. Students will now add their studio or add their project to the studio by either clicking Add Projects here or Add Projects down here. Notice if you click down here, all my shared work shows up down here. Or if I click Add Projects up here, the same exact thing happens and I select from the list below. If no videos show up down here, that means I have not shared anything. If the project I want to share or want to submit doesn't show up down here, it means I haven't shared it. If I click on Add, my studio appears. Oftentimes what students will say is they'll say something like, I've added my project, but it's not showing anybody else's. They need to click the refresh or reload button and other students' projects will appear within this studio. I hope this video has been helpful and I hope that your students enjoy submitting their work to a shared class studio.